Hi everybody at YouTube, this is Phil, and once again I'm back with the Wildlife Files. Well, what a glorious end to a glorious day. Here at the riverside, the cygnets, the ducks, nice cool breeze, makes a change from this morning. This morning we took a long walk around the Rspb Nature Reserve, the Sandy Lodge at Sandy in Bedfordshire. It was a long walk and I was out of breath. Didn't see many birds, if any, but the walk did us good. So let's go and take a look at that right now. Hello everybody on YouTube, this is Phil. It's the 11th of August 2009 and we're at Sandy Lodge, the Rspb Nature Reserve. I'm going to take a walk around this place. Killed my legs last time, let's see what happens this time. Hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. See you soon. Okay, this way is to the quarry, and it's a long way down from what I remember, and these steps are well dodgy for me, especially when you've got a camera in your hand trying to film. You can hear the trains in the background. That little bit wasn't too bad. Very few sounds this morning compared to years ago. Some of our popular species like the sparrow and the starling, all of them in major decline. There you go. You can see it's quite a way to go. And it meanders around and down and down and down. But I think now would be a good place to cut. I'll see you in the next segment. You see, it's a pretty big hill up there. I've never been this part before. Just hoping I'd have to climb up it. Well, I bet you do. Really lovely surroundings here. Oh well, looks like we've got a big climb ahead of us. Time to cut again. See you in the next segment. Takes it out of you, but anyway. We're still not there. 300 metres to go to Galley Hill. We've come from right down there. And we're still going. Gallery. Got gallery on the brain this morning. Beer gallery. Where's the beer? What you need when you're out here. I think we're almost at the top of it now. This is the top of Galley Hill, and I don't think the camera quite gives it its true justification on how steep this little hill is, but we walked all the way around there, and that's a long way down. So here we are, walking through some history. 700 BC. Wow, it's brilliant up here. We're on our way up the quarry trail now, and we've just come from down there, and we're proceeding this way on the up and up. Hi ho, hi ho, it's up the mountain we go, my legs are killing me. Oh. But the sights, the sounds, the views are all worth it. Nice, peaceful, quiet countryside walk. Who am I kidding? So here we are, this is the old quarry.